Hello everyone. I hope you all are taking care of yourself. So today we are going to complete our reader chapter, that is The Man on the Iceland. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Hello everyone. So today we are going to complete our chapter number 5, that is The Man on the Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed the experiences of Jim Hawkins and Ben Gunn. They both were discussing about Flint, whether it was a strategy or whether he's going to help him or not. Then Jim Hawkins has told his story, and Ben Gunn has promised him that because Jim is a nice fellow, he is going to help him. Okay, and today we are going to continue with this chapter. Do you think that he had let me have, say, £1,000 of money, the money that's mine already? Now he has already discussed, he has already informed that Ben Gunn has already informed Jim Hawkins that he is a rich man, he has money. So now he is saying £1,000 of money, will that make you ready to do the thing? I'm sure he would. He has promised all the men a fair share. Now he's saying that Mr. Trelawney, he has promised that he is going to give all the men a fair share. So if you give him this much money, he is definitely going to help you also. And my passage home as well. Passage means trip. So here Jim Hawkins is only worried about that how he's going to sail back to those people, how he's going to go back home. Okay, of course, we'll need you to help us sail the ship home. Now here Jim Hawkins is saying, of course, we need you. You are going to help us to sail back to our home. That's true, he said, looking pleased. So you will. He stroked my hand. Then he said, well, Jim, you have told me your story. Now I'll tell you mine. Okay, so Jim Hawkins has already discussed his story, how he has came here and what all things he has gone through. And now Ben Gunn has decided that they are already friends, so he has decided he is also going to tell him the story that how he was left on the island for 3 years by his fellow shipmates and how he was able to survive here. Okay, so in this paragraph, Ben Gunn is going to tell his story to Jim Hawkins. I was on Flint's ship when he came here with the treasure. Now he is saying that I was on the Flint ship when he came with the treasure. Billy Bonds was the mate. Mate is the person who is second in the command of ship after the captain. So after the captain, the second most important person is called mate, and the name of the mate is Billy Bonds. Okay, so they were on Flint ship and Billy Bonds is the mate, that is the second in command person after the captain. Okay, John was in charge of the stores. In charge means having responsibility for. So the first important person was John and the second one is Billy Bonds, and they were on the ship with the treasure. Flint went on shore with 6 of the men. Big strong fellows they were. So Billy and other 6 men, they were there. They were strong, they were very brave, and they were having the treasure. So all these men, they were there. After a week, he came back on board alone. He had buried the treasure and killed the 6 fellows. So what happened? After a week, when they have hidden the treasure, only one person came back and he has killed other 6 fellows. Okay, so this is the thing that he has done. Okay. He sailed away at once, and then he has sailed away. Then it happened that 3 years ago, I was on another ship and we saw this island. Then after 3 years, Ben Gunn was on another ship and he saw this island. And he quickly recognized that this is the Flint's Island. So he said, that's Flint Island. I told my mates, Let's go and look for his treasure. So he was able to recognize it and he said, this is Flint's Island and let us go and find the treasure. We looked for it for 12 days, but we didn't find it. So they were searching for the treasure for 12 days. Ben Gunn and his shipmates, they were searching for the Flint's treasure for 12 days. But after 12 days, they were not able to find the treasure. My shipmates were very angry with me. Here, Benjamin, they said, here's a gun and an axe. We are leaving you here to find Flint's treasure. They sailed away and left me here. So the shipmates of Ben Gunn, they were very angry with Ben Gunn as they were not able to find the treasure after searching for 12 days. So they have left him with a gun and axe and they have said, you find the Flint's treasure, we are going back. So this is how Ben Gunn was left alone by the shipmates on this island. Okay. Ben Gunn stopped and asked me anxiously means worriedly. You will speak to Mr. Trevonkley for me. Jim want you. Now Ben Gunn is somewhat worried. He also wants to go back. So he's asking Jim, will you ask him for me also? Yes, I promised him. But I don't know how I'm going to go back on board. Now board means, he said, of course I'm going to ask you, but I don't know how I will reach them, how I will go back to my ship. You can have my boat, Jim. I made it myself with my own 2 hands. It's lying there just under the white rock. Now he's saying, you can use my boat. I have made it myself with my 2 hands and you can use my boat to reach them. At that moment, we heard the sound of ship's cannon. Cannon is a large gun that is used in battles 2 hours before the sunset. So while they were discussing, they heard a voice from a gun 2 hours before the sunset. They are fighting, I cried. Come on, Ben. So the shipmates they were fighting. So Ben, he said, come on, Ben, let's help them. We jumped up and ran in the direction of the bay. The cannon had stopped, but guns were being fired. The fight had begun. We ran on in the direction of the ship. So they were continuously fighting and they ran on the direction of the ship. I stopped suddenly, high above some stones. The English flag was flying. Okay, so he has English flag, this is the identity. So Jim Hawkins have identified and he know that his friends are there and he had to go there. Your friends are there, Jim. You go on. I shall not come with you. Okay, so Ben Gunn is saying, your friends are there, you have found them, you can go, but I am not going to come with you. If Mr. Trevonky or other gentlemen want to see me, you know where to find me. Ben Gunn told me. So Ben has said that I am not going to come with you, Jim. You can go back with your friends. And if you talk to them, if they are ready to help me, then you know where to find me. I am here only. Thank you, Ben, I said, running fast towards the flag. Okay, so this is the chapter how Ben Gunn helped Jim Hawkins and how they were discussing their experiences. These are the 2 questions that you have to do in your homework. You can check the answers from here. With this, we have completed our chapter number 5, that is The Man on the Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay. Thank you.